When I was a kid, I remember that I was called just a little brat. This is so sad, but I had to handle. It's not romantic, so quench the candle. This is the story from my school. We then had lots of rules when it comes to education.
Physical,
I really want to say that we was
mystical,
maybe also a bit of
lyrical,
but I treat all as
empirical.
Do you know the details of the story? You will get it, no need to worry. I'm not sorry. My PE kid, it was so lit. The only problem was that I had to knit. My PE kid, it was so lit. The only problem was that I had to knit. This is it, huh? I never quit. So now you can laugh at me, but this is it, can't you see? These are the rhymes to reflect the past, and it is also the challenge blast. Hey, this story is made up, but you can remember that this is my rap, huh? Pop, never stop, that's right, My big kid.